Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. In this video, we will learn how to fill in employee details in TrackHr. Open TrackHr on your phone. On the top left, click on the three bars next to the home icon. Next, click on the laptop icon beside your profile image. From here, use your web code to open TrackHr web. Again, click on the three bars and go to the console. Select Employee Configuration. Now, select the employee whose details you want to fill in or update. You will see that employee details are divided into 6 modules. First section is Personal Details. Here you can fill in the employee's personal information such as name, date of birth, email ID, gender, marital status, blood group. Guardian's name and emergency contact details, name, number, relationship, address. You can also update the employee's contact number here. Additionally, you can fill in their Aadhaar number, PAN, driving license, voter ID, and UAN. You can also enter the current and permanent address of the employer. Second section is Employment Details. Here you can fill in information such as department, manager, shift, employee type, designation, date of joining, date of leaving, if any, employee code, official email ID, ESI number, PF number, and overtime duration allowed. You can also record the employee's past work details, if any. Third section is Employee Documents. In this section, you can upload employee documents. Fourth section is Custom Details. From here, you can create custom fields as per your organization's requirements. You can also record the assets assigned to an employee such as laptop, phone, SIM card, etc. Fifth section is Salary Details. Here you can fill in the employee's salary information such as effective month, the month from which the updated salary will be applicable. Earning fields like basic, dearness allowance, HRA, or any custom earning field you want to add. You can also define compliances like PF and ESI and create custom fields for deductions. Sixth section is Bank Account. In this section, you can fill in the employee's bank account details. Bulk Upload option. The Employee Configuration module also has a bulk upload feature. First, download the template file. Then, fill in all employee details in that downloaded file and save it. Next, go to the bulk import screen on TrackHr web, select the file under the upload option, and all employee details will be uploaded automatically. Thank you.